welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I decided to do something a little bit different today. This is actually a recipe I've been using for my family for a while now, and I just decided why not show my YouTube channel because it is in the form of a cupcake. Although it might not be sweet, this can actually be a great dinner idea, and it actually makes a little bit more than 12, so if you eat them for dinner, then you can go ahead and bring them to work the next day or eat them the next day. I am showing you guys my recipe today for lasagna cupcakes. These are so fun to make. This is such a great alternative to lasagna. They are just as good as lasagna and take half the time. Lasagna takes so long, and these are so quick, so small, bite-sized, they're so cute. You guys are gonna love them. So if you wanna learn how to make these lasagna cupcakes, then please keep watching. So to start off our lasagna cupcakes, I'm just gonna go ahead and start by cooking my ground beef. I'm cooking a half a pound of ground beef, and you just want to cook that until it's completely brown and you don't see any pink. You can keep chopping it up so that it does get smaller and smaller, because the smaller it is, the better it'll be for these lasagna cupcakes. So now I'm just spraying my cupcake pan with some cooking spray, and then once you've done that, you can start your assembly line. I am taking wonton wrappers. You can find these in the veggie section of your grocery store. So I'm just going to put a wonton wrapper in each of the cupcake pans, and then I'm going to put a little bit of ricotta cheese. My total amount of ricotta cheese that I used was 3/4 cups. And then on top of your ricotta cheese, you can add some of that ground beef. You can really do as much as you want or as little as you want. And if there's any ingredient that you don't like, you really don't even have to use it. Then on top of our ground beef, I'm going to be adding my red sauce. Like I said, you can put a little or you can put a lot. And then on top of my red sauce, I'm going to put a mixture of Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese. That also has some salt and pepper added into it. And then you're just gonna go ahead and repeat all of those steps again. So the wonton wrapper, ricotta cheese, ground beef, your red pasta sauce, and some cheese to top it all off. And then to top off your lasagna cupcake, you can add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then you'll just want to pop that into the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope that you recreate it because, like I said, this is one of my favorite recipes of all time. I'm obsessed with these, and if I'm thinking like, what should I have for dinner tonight? I usually do that just because of how easy they are. It's like 5 ingredients, and then it takes no time. You guys are gonna love these. At least just give them a try. And if you do, please let me know. If you guys enjoyed this video, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more of my fun summer videos coming up. And thank you again for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!